how to create colourful strips in Photoshop. Now, first thing to do, you actually need a brush stroke, and you've obviously got the design there, but I'm just going to create a brush. And what you want is a very, very thin brush created. Best way to do it, just quickly go to New and create there 200, 5,000, of course 400, 5,000, whatever you can obviously create. Once you've actually created that, what you can do is just fill it with black. Just go there, Contents, black, got black strip. Just go to Edit and define brush preset. Click OK. So you've got your brush. Now go to the other document. You've got the original design there. You can then see the brush there. Brush settings, that's the key thing. Brushing settings, you want to change the colour dynamics and you also want to change the spacing. So just go to spacing, that can be found in the there, brush tip shape and spacing. Put that to 100%. You want 100% so it's nicely smooth as you go across. So 100%, and also then go to the colour dynamics and you want those set to about 100%. Doesn't have to be 100%, 90%, 80%, whatever. You want to set the hue jitter, saturation jitter, etc. to about 100%. Once you've actually done that, then what you want to do is just apply the brush. Key thing, hold the shift key down. So as you go across, it will be in a straight line across that way. So you can just see it's just applying the design now. Just quickly, you can do it faster, you can do it slower, you can do it very more casually. If you want to, you can just stop it, you just stop and then maybe click slightly off document, say a bit further there, just click there, and you can actually, and then go back to the start again, go across again holding the shift down. Or, of course, you can release the shift as well. That's another way of doing it. And then go across, hold the shift down, and then just go across again. Set the colour like that. So you get a whole range of different colours very quickly. Now, what you can do then also, you can go to the rectangular marquee tool and maybe create a very thin sliver of selection there, just all over from the top to the bottom, but just say maybe 2%, whatever, 10% of the original size. And then just obviously define that as a brush as well, exactly as before. And then just create spacing for that, set that again, 100%. And then, once you've done that, go to the colour dynamics, and again, set those all to about 90, 100%. And hold shift down again, just go across. Then click up slightly off the document, and then go across again with a straight line. And just click again off, slightly off document, go across, and you can just obviously see the different colours just across there. Very quick and easy. Now if you make a mistake, of course you can just go back to start again, just go across, again holding the shift down. What you can also do, go to the image menu, adjustments, vibrance, hue and saturation, set the hue there, you can just change the colours, saturation you can change, lightness, just change that. You can see you've got a whole range of different colours there. Click OK and done that. Now you can also go up to the brush and then rotate that slightly, so just turn it around and then just go from above and just go down, and you can see again holding the shift down, that's the key thing, shift key. When you do that, use a brush stroke, just go straight down and you can see all the colours again. Very quick and easy. And again, you go adjustments, this time I'm using exposure, but you can use effects and much more just to do that. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.